Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need account admin or security admin to change authentication. First, log in to the Snowflake web interface with that admin role. Once in, open the admin menu and select users to see the list. Make sure you identify the exact user account to update. While you're here, verify whether MFA was set via SSO or native Snowflake MFA because the path differs. If you find multiple users, work in small batches to avoid permission confusion and to track changes. Now, select the target user and open their authentication settings. If the account uses SSO, stop here and make the change in the IDP. Snowflake will inherit that setting. You must remove the MFA requirement at the identity provider. For native Snowflake MFA, uncheck the MFA enforcement box or clear the registered device entries, then save the user record. Make sure to note the change in your audit log. This helps you revert if needed. Once saved, the user's next login reflects the new state. After saving, verify by having the user attempt a login or test with a delegated test account. This confirms MFA removal. Then check access history and login history to confirm no MFA prompt occurred and to record the successful change. If the user still sees MFA, try re-enabling MFA briefly and then disable it again, or clear cached sessions and browsers, because stale tokens can persist. Finally, document the change and inform stakeholders so policy and audit records remain accurate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.